Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Shamaila Rafique Official. Friends, today we are going to discuss very short yet effective and useful English sentences with Urdu translation. So they are going to be of much value. Just listen and follow. Let's take a start. First sentence on the screen, very short one. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? क्या आपने मुझे बुलाया? Had you asked for me? Had you asked for me? मैं जाऊं? May I go? May I go? मैं भी चलूं? May I accompany you? May I accompany you? समझे? Did you understand or understood? जी, नहीं समझा. No, I didn't understand. No, I didn't understand. सामने देखो. Look ahead. Look ahead. आगे बढ़ो. Go ahead. Go ahead. अपना काम करो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. ज़रूर आना. Do come. Do come. तुम कौन होते हो ये पूछने वाले? Who are you to ask this? Who are you to ask this? वो बेदाग किरदार का मालिक है. He has an impeccable character. He has an impeccable character. मुकाबला सख्त था. It was a close contest. It was a close contest. कपड़े निचोड़ दो. Wring the clothes. Wring the clothes. मैं थककर चूर हो गया. I am dead tired. I am dead tired. वो मेरा जानी दुश्मन है. He is my sworn enemy. He is my sworn enemy. कर काम ले दाम. No miles, no meals. ये कितने का है? How much is it? How much is it? वो तेज तेज चलती है. She walks briskly. She walks briskly. मुझे चुपड़ी हुई रोटी पसंद है. I like smeared bread. I like smeared bread. मुझे मामूली अंदाज़ा तक नहीं था. I had not the foggiest notion. I had not the foggiest notion. ये फ़ोन तुमने कितने में ख़रीदा? What did this phone cost you? What did this phone cost you? मैं अब ज़्यादा देर इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मेरी आँख क्यों फड़कती है? Why does my eye twitch? Why does my eye twitch? आपका बड़ा एहसान होगा. It will be a great favor. It will be a great favor. उसका गला सूजा हुआ है. His throat is swollen. His throat is swollen. कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. सब ठीक तो है ना? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? मेरे बाल मत खींचो. Don't pull my hair. Don't pull my hair. गुदगुदी करना बंद करो. Stop tickling me. Stop tickling me. उसकी सेहत खराब है. He is not in good health. He is not in good health. छोटी छोटी बातों पर मत झगड़ो. Don't quarrel over trifles. Don't quarrel over trifles. ये बिल्कुल फजूल बात है. That is an utter nonsense, or this is an utter nonsense. And one more sentence. क्या तुम सोते हुए खराटे लेते हो? Do you snore during sleep? Do you snore during sleep? So, dear friends, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more informative videos. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.